The screen of the oscilloscope displays the waveforms of voltages applied to the input. The screen has a grid made of equal divisions. The grid is 10 divisions wide and 8 divisions high. Each side of the square along the vertical and horizontal middle lines is divided into 5 subdivisions, making each subdivision 0.2 of a division. Provided the oscilloscope is turned on and the sweep controls are correctly set, you will see a dot in the middle of the screen. As will be explained later, this dot draws the waveforms displayed on the screen.